नमस्कार, मैं अशोक व्यास हूँ और न्यूयॉर्क में अभी तक जैसे एक उत्सव के बाद का वातावरण रहता है, उस तरह का है। मोदी जी की उपस्थिति में जो एक भारतीय परिवार सम्मिलित हुआ और कितने विहंगम दृश्य के साक्षी उत्साह के साथ सब लोग बने। कई अनुभव, कई स्मृतियाँ सब अपने साथ लेकर गए। उनकी कुछ तस्वीरें आप देख रहे हैं, पर जब कोई आयोजन होता है तो उसके पीछे बहुत कुछ होता है तैयारी के लिए। तो बिहाइंड द सीन्स के बारे में भी हम बात करेंगे और साथ ही हम ये भी चर्चा करेंगे कि मोदी जी क्या प्रभाव इस बार विशेष करके नासा कॉलेजियम में छोड़कर गए हैं अपनी अमेरिका की यात्रा के दौरान। उन्होंने क्या छाप छोड़ी है दिलों पर, उसकी भी चर्चा करेंगे। तो मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं स्वागत कर रहा हूँ बॉबी कलुटी जी का, जो चेयरमैन है ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन न्यूयॉर्क के, और होस्ट टीम मेंबर मोदी एंड यूएस इवेंट की नीलिमा मदान जी हैं, सीईओ जैस्मिन यूनिवर्स के और फिलेंथ्रोपिस्ट के रूप में विशेष आत्मीय पहचान रखने वाले मोहन मांझी जी भी हमारे साथ हैं। शुरुआत में जैसा कहते हैं लेडीज फर्स्ट, तो नीलिमा जी आपसे ही करूंगा। बहुत पहले से आप उत्साहित थी इस कार्यक्रम को लेकर, बहुत संक्षेप में बताएं कि क्या चुनौतियां ऐसे आयोजन में रहती हैं, और मैं ये भी चाहूंगा कि आप थोड़ा सा ये भी संकेत दें कि किस तरह एक महत्वपूर्ण सेतु के रूप में बॉबी कलुटी जी का एक योगदान रहा, जिसमें वो भारत के दल और अमेरिका के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के बीच में एक महत्वपूर्ण पुल के रूप में हमारी ओर से सक्रिय रहे। नीलिमा जी।
सबसे पहले तो अशोक जी आपका, सुधीर पारिक जी का और आईटीवी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद to have us here and to have us express ourselves about our experience for Modi and us, the iconic event that took place at Nassau Coliseum on September 22nd, where we welcomed our Prime Minister, and it was done in such a beautiful way that the 4 million Indians in America got a chance to see our Prime Minister through the eyes of 14,000 people who were actually present at the arena. And like you said, to make anything work, there is a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes, and you need a high horsepower engine to make everything happen the right way. The amount of intricacy with which we had to work is a long story, but to get so many people together from 575 organizations to be represented, to have 500 plus children perform on the cultural stage, to manage the VVIPs, the VIPs, and to manage the entire team before and on the day off was quite a feat. And I must congratulate the Indo-American community, which is an amalgam of organizations coming together to make this happen. I won't say flawlessly because everything has challenges, but it becomes flawless in rendering and what we have seen as the outcome. It was absolutely mesmerizing and amazing.
एब्सोल्युटली। तो मेस्मराइजिंग था इसमें, तो मैं भी आपके साथ सहमत 100% हूँ, क्योंकि मैं भी वहाँ मोहन जी के साथ उपस्थित था। और बॉबी जी की तरफ मैं विशेष रूप से जाने के पहले एक इमोशनल जो आपका इंप्रेशन रहा मोहन जी, ओवरऑल इवेंट से क्या टेक होम मैसेज आपके लिए था?
अशोक जी, पहले तो आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और सुधीर पारिक जी का धन्यवाद, और आईटीवी का धन्यवाद हमें अपने चैनल पे लाने के लिए। मेरा ये सौभाग्य रहा कि मैं मोदी जी का इवेंट आपके साथ में मैंने अटेंड किया। ये तो बड़ा हमारा सौभाग्य था। और जैसा कि नीलिमा जी ने बोला कि मोदी जी brought a certain electricity into the auditorium. People were absolutely spellbound and mesmerized by his energy and by his stage presence and by the real diction and choice of words. मोदी जी तो एक महान ना ये वक्ता हैं। बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से वो अपना भाषण देते हैं, and the way he presented the information about India was in the most and the best and in positive light. Recently, there is a lot of news that we hear, from time to time, coming from India. But Modi ji, being the face of India, brought the information about India and the progress that India has made to the audience in Long Island in the best possible and the best positive light. It was absolutely amazing to see the energy in the Nassau Coliseum, and as Nilimaji mentioned, the event was organized absolutely flawlessly. Of course, there were a little roughs around the edges, but all in all, the event was a great success.
तो मोहन जी, आपका धन्यवाद करते हुए मैं बॉबी जी के पास जाना चाहता हूँ। विशेष करके कुछ ऐसी बातें हैं जो बॉबी जी जिस तरह जानते हैं उस तरह से हमें से अधिकांश लोग नहीं जानते हैं। तो बॉबी जी, कोई छोटा मोटा कार्यक्रम भी होता है तो उसके लिए बहुत तैयारियों में एक सुरक्षा की दृष्टि से, जिस तरह से अमेरिका के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के साथ में एक ब्रिज बनाने वाली बात होती है, वो उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से प्राइम मिनिस्टर आ रहे हैं और कई तरह के चैलेंजेस नॉर्मल केस में भी रहते हैं और अभी भी कुछ सेंसिटिव हालात हैं। थोड़ा इनसाइड पर्सपेक्टिव आप अगर हमारे साथ शेयर करें बॉबी जी, हाउ इट वाज फॉर यू टू सॉर्ट ऑफ ब्रिंग अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ हार्मनी, जिससे कि दोनों तरफ एक, मतलब हमें, मुझे तो फ्लॉलेस ही लगा। अगर हम सिर्फ एक आम आदमी की तरह देखते हैं तो ये जो सारी तैयारी होती है उसके बारे में हमें पता नहीं होता है। प्लीज बॉबी जी थोड़ा शेयर करें।
First of all, I thank you, Ashok ji, having me along with the very intellectual, wonderful, hardworking, a good human being of India and Americans, Nilma ji as well as Mohan Bachu ji. It's humbling and to listening to them. It's humbling to working with them. You said sensitive. Tell me sensitive. If it is so sensitive, then I cannot tell you. Come to the certain challenges. I always believed from my childhood till today, every challenge I take as a lesson, not as an obstacle. My mom taught me, if you take a challenge as a difficult book to read, but you're going to read it, then it can't be difficult anymore after you finish reading. So all the challenges, part of to get the job done. I want to say thank you to the Nassau County Police Department, New York State Police Department troopers, the Secret Service, FBI, other law enforcement. Every one of them was so cooperative for the best interest of not only just Modi ji, but all our citizens who are there to listen to Modi ji. They shine by doing their job, providing a services that they are responsible for. They assured me, along with Harry Bola ji, Nilma ji, and other leaders in their organization, that it will be flawless. Our guest will be here, come with the comfort, and he will leave with the comfort. So the people who believe in him can enjoy listening to him, and they can learn something and go back home and feel proud that they are part of, from the largest democracy to the oldest democracy, and building a better relationship, a better bridge to cross. And no one can do it better. As our Prime Minister said, we all people from the Indian diaspora represent as a Doot, ambassador of India, goodwill ambassadors.
Absolutely,
And
absolutely.
Bachu Mohan ji said very well, and Nilma ji, I'm sure, going to say a little more. but I will listen. But I can tell you this: I take a pleasure, pride, and proud to able to serve whatever the responsibility was given to me. I didn't give nobody a favor. I don't need no padding on my back. I was able to assist our community for the comfort and flawless event for our guest. तो जो हमारा मेहमान आए और खुशी से जाए, इससे अच्छी चीज और क्या होती है जिनके घर में कोई मेहमान आता है.
बिल्कुल
Moonbhai
सही कहा आपने
will agree
बॉबी.
with me on that. So
Absolutely.
mine was simple to serve what I was able to serve, but Commissioner of the Nassau County Police, Patrick Ryder,
तो ये जो टेक्निकल
Patrick
कारण थे,
Ryder, and then state troopers, the commander of Troop L, Major Stephen Odis, they was so committed. I want to share with you on the top to bottom, the local police was that committed, of course, the advisor of the county executive, that make sure everything is on the disposal for the safety of the Prime Minister and our guest so they can enjoy.
Yeah, Bobby
They
ji,
both deserve the credit.
let me take it to Nilima ji with a different angle, and that angle is before Prime Minister's arrival, Mohan ji, the entertainment call it or the cultural display, singing, dancing, that also energized people. And I must also repeat, the organization was so good for the people who came. They were very comfortable in entering and everything. The whole atmosphere was like very welcoming. और जैसे एक परिवार में होता है कि सब एक दूसरे का ध्यान रखें, so that kind of feeling was there for everyone. But let me quickly seek your input, नीलिमा जी, if you are aware, जो लाइनअप होता है एंटरटेनमेंट का, उसके पीछे क्या माइंडसेट रहता है. ऑफ कोर्स अलग अलग हमारे जो राज्य हैं, तो थोड़ा-सा उनका रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी होना चाहिए. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं न कहीं ये माइंडसेट रहता है कि जो यूथ है, उसको एनकरेज किया जाए, विशेष करके. तो सिंगर्स भी उस तरह के और थोड़ा रैपर भी आ गए. सो देयर वाज़ अ वंडरफुल वैरायटी. कोई इसकी कमेटी रहती है नीलिमा जी, आर यू अवेयर? ब्रिंग सम कहते हैं कि स्पिल द बीन्स ऑन दैट. जैसे हम चाहते थे कि भाई मैं राजस्थान में, मुझे लगता है राजस्थानी भी आ जाएँ, इनको लगे कश्मीरी भी आ जाएं, ऐसा सब भी कहीं ना कहीं रहता, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल. बट ओवरऑल हाउ वाज इट?
ओवरऑल सबसे पहली टिप्पणी तो मैं ये कहूंगी कि जैसे मोदी जी का एक मेक इन इंडिया का जो शेर है, शेर के अंदर आपको सिर्फ दिखाई देता है कि कितने सारे गियर्स हैं. हम सब वो गियर्स बन जाते हैं. जो कमेटी होती है, कमेटी के अंदर सब कमेटी होती है, सब कमेटी के अंदर उनकी अपनी टीम्स होती हैं. लेकिन आपने कल्चरल के बारे में पूछा है. कल्चरल के लिए 500 से ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे. उनकी अपनी जो कोर टीम थी, कोर टीम का एक ही मकसद था कि हमने एक इसको फेस्टिवल का रूप देना है. तो फेस्टिवल का रूप ना केवल अंदर, बाहर भी तो जितनी देर लोग खड़े रहते हैं, लाइन में खड़े रहते हैं, जो लोग पहले आते हैं, जो लोग एंट्री के लिए अभी वेट कर रहे हैं, उन लोगों के लिए भी एक एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए स्टेज बनाया गया था. The focus this time was not only Indian programming based on our roots and culture as it has been over the years, but as it is trickling down to the youth. As our youth is coming up, they are into modern performances and modern arts, including our traditional Kuchipudi, Bharatnatyam, Garba, folk dances, and like you rightly said, to showcase different parts of India on stage in such a manner that we remember the old, but we also segue into the new young performing artists, like you mentioned, who include rap, they also sing American tunes as well as Indian tunes with equal proficiency. Chandrika Tandon ji was there to represent, जिन्होंने वंदे मातरम render किया with her group. It was absolutely astounding. Aditya Gadvi stole the show. We had Mr. Shri Devi Prasad ji, with the rapping, with the singing, with the multicultural display. And I must also commend Touch Media that did the background work. And you saw the screen, the humongous screen that mesmerized, captivated the audience with a live show which kept the entire audience of 16,000 people on their seats. They did not leave their seats.
Absolutely. So,
That,
Nilima, yeah,
that's, that's,
leaving.
I want to
that's the
say something right
success.
here. I
That's
want
the
to say
success.
something right here. It's very important.
Ji.
Nilma ji, that one of the committee you was, I mean, not committee, in the meeting that you was not there, it was from the security regions. They made sure people can cheer up any they want after the national anthem songs. It was advised that one must obey the rules and the regulations of the security, and that was you must remain on your seats.
Yeah.
And I
Absolutely.
want to share.
So that's very, very important and very quick. I think Mohanji may have to leave us soon. Before you go, Mohanji, kindly share any special highlight from what you heard from Prime Minister नरेंद्र मोदी. जैसे मुझे याद आता है वो उन्होंने चेस में मैन और वुमेन दोनों में जो भारत की विजय हुई उसका भी उल्लेख किया. एंड आई थिंक ओवरऑल इट वाज क्वाइट अपलिफ्टिंग एंड पॉजिटिव फ्लो. फिर कुछ चीजें लेकिन होती हैं, हम कुछ चाह रहे होते हैं, वो उन्होंने ऐसे कहा वैसे कहा. एनीथिंग दैट stayed with you, Mohanji?
So, Ashok ji, as I mentioned earlier, Modi ji is the greatest orator of all times. He is a unbelievable image of India. He is an unbelievable proponent of India, and he's the best face of India that the world has ever seen in the last 75 years. Modi ji has the unique ability to pick on special situations and present them, in a manner that is that affects the audience, deeply. For example, you all know that we had the T20 championships, just a couple of months back, in which Bobby ji and Nilima ji played a very, very important role, and we are very thankful to you, Bobby ji and Nilima ji, for all the work that you did in making that also a huge success. Modi ji knew that the T20 stadium was right next to the Nassau Coliseum, and he used his presence of mind to talk about the grand success of the T20 championship. And he said, well, guess what? The American team played very well, but it was full of Indians living in the United States. So the credit goes to all of the Indian Americans living in the United States. Such a presence of mind and such a vast exposure to what is happening inside India and outside India is only able to be done very aptly by a gentleman of Modi ji's stature. And I don't think somebody else would have the wherewithal to say all these beautiful things. And they're not just concocted things. These are things that really happened. But he had the presence of mind and the willingness to project the Indian American community in the best light. So this is just one of the many
Wonderful. Yeah.
Ashok ji,
situations.
before Mohan ji leave, I do want to recognize, I appreciate that you admire Modi ji in a same sense than billion plus people who admire, at least in India. Of course, there are some people, even in one house, all kids not necessarily tell dad or mom, I love you in the same day. So sometimes it's a different day. So, but I wanted to give a credit before you go. I given the credit to the Commissioner of Nassau County Police, State, Secret Service, and State Departments. I equally want to give a credit to our Indian government officials, law enforcement people who came many times and attended several meetings, and they equally requested or implemented. A cooperation was so good. I want to applaud them as well, because it will not be fair if we, we always find it way to complain, but be shy to compliment.
Yeah, so Bobby, Mohanji, kindly stay few minutes more if you don't mind, because there is something about which I want all three of you to weigh in. I will begin seeking response from Bobby ji. In his address, Modi ji also mentioned when India speaks, world listens. भारत की आवाज दुनिया में सुनी जाती है, और उसका परिचय देखिए आप इन तस्वीरों से भी हमें दिखाई देता है। अलग अलग राष्ट्रों के राष्ट्राध्यक्ष जो आपस में युद्ध की स्थिति में हैं, उनसे मोदी जी गले मिलते हैं। अमेरिका आके बाइडेन जी के साथ में भी वो गले मिलते हैं। ये वाला जो एक भारतीयता का भाव है, जो वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की भावना के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है बॉबी जी, उस मामले में मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में आपको क्या लगता है, भारत की क्या छवि, क्या भूमिका रही है? Starting with you.
I want to remind three of my friends, Bachu ji, I know he had to go, but I will remind, if you look at the history of India, let's not talk about only today. You go back to Raja Harishchandra, and then Ram, then you come to Krishnji, and all our other religious leaders, gurus, whatever way you want to look at it. They are so determined on the truth. They're so determined on the truth in the peace-loving nature of our religion, or the way we perform in the country. There was a time people who took our politeness as a weakness. So, to answer your question, Modi ji was and is able to keep the same politeness, but not as a weakness, but as a strength.
Beautiful, very well put.
This is how I look at it. When you say, when India speak, Bharat speak, world listen, I seen Modi ji in the United Nations. Myself is 6 years. Every year I attended with a lot of world leaders. And I can tell you, not because what you heard that Modi ji or India speak and world listen, I witness. So what are you witnessing? 3-4 pictures. That's not the real picture. Real picture is all the leaders listen.
Absolutely.
China listen. China sitting. I said this to you proudly.
Absolutely.
I'm not going to criticize former or past prime ministers.
No, that is not our intention.
I'm going to compliment the leadership style. Our Prime Minister, Modi ji, meeting the leaders of the smallest country to the largest country, economically poorest country financially to the wealthiest country, because he's able to speak on every level. When you're talking about CARICOM, there are 13-14 countries. Some countries' population is only 80,000-90,000.
Yeah.
But
Bobby,
keep them as it together. So what I'm saying to you is the world listening because Modi ji reaching.
एब्सोल्युटली, बहुत धन्यवाद है, बहुत सुंदर आपने कहा। और समय की सीमा को देखते हुए नीलिमा जी, मैं जब कंक्लूड करना चाह रहा हूं, तो मोदी जी की इस पूरी यात्रा में जैसे कि अभी वायरल तो एक वो सीन हो जाता है जिसमें बाइडेन भूल जाते हैं कि अगला उन्हें किन्हें बुलाना है, बट मोर देन दैट इज जस्ट समथिंग जो कि वायरल हो जाती है, लोग उस पर बात करते रहते हैं, बट देयर हैज बीन सम सब्सटेंशियल गेन्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंडो यूएस रिलेशनशिप्स, और जो एस्पेक्ट पर फोकस मोदी जी का इस बार रहा है, आप ब्रीफली अगर उसके टच करें नीलिमा जी।
उसके लिए जो ये सबसे पहले आए थे और जो उन्होंने क्वाड समिट किया है इन डेलावेयर, in that the focus was on energy, semiconductor, 500 million transitions to green energy. And then he spoke about the space and India partnerships. Then I like the description that he gave to Quad. So he says it is quick, unified assistance delivery. So he comes up with these names. And you're absolutely right that, behind the scenes, we have Nagaraj ji, Naidu ji, Quatra ji, Vikram Misri ji. We have even Ranveer Jaiswal ji was here, the CG, and everybody partnered up to make sure that this becomes a huge success. I would just also briefly like to add that when in Modi ji's speech, he was remembering a lot of the old days, but he called each one of us Vishwa Bandhu. And as Vishwa Bandhu, he said, Bharat Mata Bharatiyata, and it brings strength and value to our country. He says Indians believe in doing good for others. I thought that was a very nice statement that he meant. He mentioned about transitioning from 5G being the largest user, now coming to 6G, where we will be the pioneers. He mentioned about us as being not just AI people behind AI, but being aspirational India, being American Indians that will actually bring forth the Swaraj
Yeah.
dream and the Indian inspiration
Yeah.
to
So
the
thank you.
world.
Yeah.
Ashokji, before you go, I just want to let you know,
Yes.
yesterday, County Executive Bruce Blakeman, end of the day, end of the event, the last message he sent to me last night, and I'm going to read it very quickly, it's only one line. Great day for Indian Americans relations in today's event.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
That
I
was
think
a simple conclusion from our county executive. And I thank you.
claps on that. And I will just repeat briefly and emotionally. I saw a lot of happy faces, and there was a sense of togetherness, and there was a sense of pride in being a part of this celebration. जो मोदी जी की उपस्थिति में उनके प्रति जो आकर्षण और सम्मान और प्रेम का भाव है, उसको लेकर ही ये मुख्यतया संभव हुआ। और बहुत खुशी की बात है कि बॉबी जी ने थोड़ा सा बिहाइंड द सीन्स वाली बात भी हमारे साथ शेयर की, आपने भी कुछ बताया। एंड आई थिंक देयर इज अ होलसम फील ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग आउट द बेस्ट इन अस, जिसकी इंस्पिरेशन एस्पिरेशनल इंडिया की बात के साथ साथ मोदी जी हर इंडिविजुअल तक पहुंचाते हैं। बॉबी जी, आप इतना समर्पण के साथ में कम्युनिटी के साथ जुड़कर कई आयोजनों में सक्रिय रहते हैं। आपका विशेष धन्यवाद करते हुए, नीलिमा जी का भी आभार व्यक्त करते हुए, मोहन जी हमारे साथ जुड़े, उनका भी धन्यवाद, और हमारे सभी दर्शकों को मंगल कामनाओं के साथ आभार। अशोक व्यास को अनुमति। नमस्कार।